Most AI tutors optimize for producing an answer. For a 9-year-old, that is the easy part. The harder problem is proving that the next hint is grounded, age-appropriate, and still makes the learner think. Gazelle Trace makes that decision inspectable. This session is bounded to one teacher-approved Grade 4 objective: explaining equivalent fractions. The tutor retrieves only curated lesson evidence. It cannot browse for a curriculum, improvise a new objective, or silently expand its role. Here is a bundled, non-identifying handwritten sample. GPT-5.6 reads the work and identifies the observable misconception. The learner changed only the denominator. Instead of revealing the correction, it proposes one visual action: compare equal-length fraction bars, and gives the teacher a matching intervention. Generation is only the beginning. Before a hint reaches the learner, input moderation runs, approved curriculum is retrieved, deterministic code checks the prompt for stored answer leakage, output moderation runs, and a separate GPT 5.6 verification pass checks evidence, grounding, age level, and non-leakage. The generator may propose. The verifier may approve or block, but it cannot rewrite. Unverified output is discarded. The teacher, not the model, approves the next move. The learner then explains that 1/2 covers the same length as 2 of 4 smaller parts. Gazelle treats that response as new untrusted evidence and repeats the full pipeline. Because the reasoning changed, the tutor steps up to a transfer question about thirds and sixths. That is real adaptation, not a longer chat response. Now I will run the privacy trap. The input contains an email address. A deterministic local screen holds it before model invocation, exposes the failed gate, and routes the learner to a teacher. Gazelle fails closed instead of showing partially validated model output. Codex helped turn a broad K-6 concept into this narrow, testable workflow, then implemented the typed pipeline, interface, adversarial tests, live evaluation, and edge deployment. The release matrix covers 12 text and image cases, and all 12 passed. Crucially, deterministic fallback is never counted as live GPT 5.6 evidence. Gazelle does not replace teachers. It gives them a bounded, adaptive tutor, whose decisions can be inspected and challenged. The learner still does the thinking. The teacher stays in control.